Hi, everybody. This is a small clip from Wednesday's show in which Bradford Cohen, he's an attorney, and others feel that it's possible that Cassie was a co-conspirator in the trafficking ring. Take a listen to what they had to say. There's people going around that say that Cassie is just as bad as Diddy, and they're calling her the Elon Maxwell. And there's this attorney, I cannot remember his name, that went on DJ Academic's channel yesterday, and he was saying that Cassie was the one that leaked the video. So he's saying that yes, Diddy did purchase it for $50,000 from the hotel, and that he said, and that Cassie leaked the video is because she is going to be indicted as a co-conspirator. And she wanted, in so many words, public sympathy.
So, according to Bradford Cohen, that video needed to be leaked to protect her image, and it is highly likely that the government will not indict her. They will likely, he says, mention her throughout the indictment, if or when it comes out, as an unindicted co-conspirator. That is what he is predicting. His theory is, and I find it interesting, is that this particular video was not leaked just to expose Diddy, but was also leaked to really help Cassie. Because if you remember her complaint, in her complaint, she talks about how Diddy would use her to pay for certain things, whether it be for the FOs that they participated in or that she participated in against her will, according to her, or for even holding weapons. There were different situations she described where she said that Diddy allegedly had one, who was it? Kid Cudi had his car blown up. So all these different things were mentioned in her complaint, and some of them she could be attached as a co-conspirator. So, according to Bradford Cohen, that video needed to be leaked to protect her image. And
first of all, to all those people who called Cassie a crackhead. They called Cassie a crackhead. I wanted to go on that other person's channel so bad, like drop the link, but I didn't want to disrupt their show. And they're allowed to say what they want on their channel. But how you can see that tape and not feel anything for this woman? Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. They're calling her a crackhead, and they called her the Elon Maxwell, saying that Cassie needs to be in bars right with Diddy, and they're saying that there's actual trafficking ring that's going on, and Cassie knew all about it, and basically she's trying to turn on Diddy to save her own ass. Okay, so if I'm allowed to say what I want, everybody else is allowed to say what they want. Well, they want to say, but I don't understand this point of view, not at all. And is this attorney trying to get famous? So he represent other famous people. I believe his biggest case was Kodak Black. You was sitting there watching this other channel and the guy on DJ Academic show. Why are they saying these things? Okay. Because the Fed ain't talking to none of us. So how does he know? Go ahead.
This is what I think, right? Mm-hmm. And I think sometimes when we look at the video that was released of the hallway, everybody know what that was, right? Mm-hmm. Everybody know Diddy was dead wrong, out of pocket, right? But this is what I think what other people looking at. They ain't looking just at the hallway situation.
Okay.
What they're saying is they was like Bonnie and Clyde. They was a team. Mm-hmm. That now, whether it's true or not, I'm just telling you just from the other side.
Their point of view, right?
They can look at it as her being like Elon Maxwell. A part of it, if she went out there and picked them up, brung them back, did this, she was part of the organization. They sort of looking at it from that standpoint. I don't really know. I mean, just keep it real. I don't know. I can see how people can look at it that way, and you wonder, well, she was there. That hallway when they first weekend they met, that things could have got out of control with their partnership, and he had this wild side. But was she doing these other things on her own will. I don't know, like participating in the business or doing drugs. I don't know. But I'm saying that's where they could be coming from.
Thank you, Megan. Here's a picture of Bradford Cohen. This is the attorney that's going around saying these things. I don't want to be closed-minded, but it really raises the hair on the back of my head. I don't understand. I don't want to get mad at this man, and maybe he knows what he's talking about. But to call Cassie a co-conspirator, what about him putting his hands on her? And maybe he's not emotional about it. Maybe he's saying, you know, what the other attorneys are saying. I don't know, but he kind of pissed me off. He really did.
Could he be talking about in the bigger scheme of things? Like what I'm saying is that hallway was the incident of DV that should have never happened. Diddy should pay the price for that. All that. Saying outside of that, was she big of? I mean, because it could be a lot of mob members, and then some of them get taken out. When they get taken out, you say, "Damn, that was wrong. Him being taken out, he can't be this because he was taken out." I guess they're trying to say basically is she could have been a part of a bigger thing,
right? That's what he's saying, because she's the Elon Maxwell. She went and got the, I don't know, what do you call, like the workers, the prostitutes? I don't know.
How is Elon Maxwell hooked in her situation?
Well, Elon Maxwell gave the girls to Jeffrey. So
okay. But I guess the only difference that say, well, do we know if she was mistreated by Jeffrey?
I don't know if she was physically mistreated.
Because a lot of people say, well, she did it because she couldn't escape the madness of Jeffrey, or couldn't escape the madness of Diddy. So, I mean, that's what all this stuff really, I mean, to me, it's a lot of speculation, a lot of people talking about these things, and a lot of things is just mostly speculation, rumors, things that we have heard. Maybe it's going to take to go to court to see what's fact and what's not.
I can't believe it. They were calling her crackheads, and some women lie, you know, and say things, and maybe she's lying for the money. She did get allegedly 30 million. And they're saying that these other women are lying, and I just don't agree. I just don't agree, and y'all need to chill with that. They're lying shit, because we seen a video. If we didn't see the video, maybe I would say maybe, but we saw the video. And she said that these drugs was forced on her. And what co-conspirator would get kicked in the back and dragged by your hair and thrown to the ground like that?